Thank you for watching Edupedia Word videos. In this session, we will learn about the ER diagram. Let us start with the entity relationship notation. There is no standard for representing data objects in entity relationship diagrams. Each modeling methodology uses its own notation. All notational styles represents entities as rectangle or rectangular boxes and relationship as line as connecting the boxes. Each style has a special set of symbols to represent the cardinality of a connection. Here we can see between two tables, one on left and one on right, with the entity as department and project respectively, with attributes as department ID and project ID. We have a relationship of manage in between these two tables. Entities are represented by labeled diagrams or labeled rectangles. Relationships are represented by a solid line connecting two entities, and attributes when included are listed inside the entity rectangle. Let us see about them in further details. The direction of a relationship point to create the entity of a binary relationship. The entity from which a relationship originates is the parent entity, and the entity where the relationship terminates is the child entity. Here the direction of a relationship is determined by the connectivity. If we talk about one-to-one relationship, it is different, and if we talk about many-to-many relationship, it is different. In a one-to-one relationship, the direction is from independent entity to a dependent entity. If both the entities are independent, then the direction is arbitrary. If we come to one-to-many relationship, the entity occurring once is the parent. The direction of many-to-many relationship is again arbitrary. Let us see the entities. Entities are represented by the rectangles, which are used to signify the entity in the diagram. The name of the entity will be inscribed inside the rectangle. The strong entity is denoted by a simple rectangle as shown in the above, and a weak entity is denoted by two rectangles as shown below. And we have already known what is a strong and what is weak entity in our previous section. Let us start with the attributes. Attribute, an oval shape, is used to represent these attributes. The name of the attribute is written inside this oval shape and is related to its entity by a line. When we talk about multi-valued attributes, these are denoted by a double oval shape, while resulting attributes are represented by the oval shape with dashed lines. A composite attribute is also symbolized by oval shape, but these attributes are related to its parent attribute, creating a tree-like structure. Relationship. A relationship describes relationship or relation between two entities. Here we have two entities, teacher and a student. A relationship is represented using diamonds or inclined rectangles. Thank you.